How to share your notes on iPhone. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to share your note on iPhone. Before we start this tutorial, please make sure that you hit subscribe and ring that bell. Okay, here we go. Just open your note application, and then from there you can choose whichever notes that you have been created previously, or you can create a new note. I will choose the current note that I have edited previously, and all you need to do to share it is just to click on the three dots button and then choose share note. Choose whichever application that suits you best. So for example, if you wanted to just copy the link, and then choose copy the link, or if you want to mail it or send it via messages, you can also do that. Or if you do not find your application, the application that you wanted to use for sharing the note, then just click on more and you can choose between any applications that is available to you and does the job. And that's pretty much how to share your notes on iPhone. If you find this tutorial to be helpful and you wanted to see more, please make sure that you hit subscribe, like and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at TechTricks to cover, please put it on the comment section down below. Cheers, I hope it helps. Till the next tutorial, YouTube. Bye.